Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the frequently asked questions on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So there's the home screen and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar and click to the account button at the lower right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the third option, the frequently asked question and support. Click that, tap to the first button, the frequently asked questions, and in this site you can find different questions and you can find different info for different topics. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.